Hello YouTube. This is my third video on getting Google Play services on our Honor devices. This is a third method. Previously, I have said you how to register your device with Google so you can get Play services. In my another trick, I have said you how to create an environment that is exactly same as Play services, not Play Store. That environment allows us to install all the Play service apps like Play Store, YouTube, etc. Today is my third method in which I am going to show you creating completely a new store and a new Play service section in our device. So the new uh, environment or the environment which is similar to Play services is called micro G. So in any browser, just type for micro G, just the micro G. Yes, search for micro G, and here on this section, select choose micro G project. Here you will see this section. Here it is. You should install every app here like YouTube service core, like core services as Google Play Services queue, and here is a Google as Google framework there in normal normal mobiles. You should install this one for getting framework of this service. And third one, store, as you know, Play Store. And these are the other apps. You should install everything here, everything from here, and just use it as normal. I'm not doing it right here because these are not or unable to install or not able to install on the mobiles which have Play Store already. So this thing will not work in my phone. For instance, I will show you what happens will when I try to install them. Here it is. You see here this one, the third app which I have downloaded earlier. See here, micro G services. If I click install, here you see this app is not getting installed. So I recommend you maybe this will only work in Honor devices. Please go and try for it. If not installing, please inform me. I will find a solution for you guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.